Yes, I am mad. It's been a while since he visited me actually. He took me to the premium side of the city and so many tourists are coming to me every day. But it's a bit embarrassing lately, you know. With my last 562 visits I have no more space left on the logbook, and I see all of them leaving unhappy. I even got the Red Cross on me and still no reaction from him.
Yeah, sure, big city life is bad. You have no idea. I'm so sick and I'm so cold. Every time it rains I get flooded and I fear one day I will drown myself. There are geocaches coming every once in a while and don't even bother to log me anymore. I know I have a killer look on the outside, but look at my logbook. It's completely wet. Was it too much a zip bag? Or a better place to heal the geocaching world? Oh my gosh, indeed, he deserves it.
Seriously, I don't know what to say. I think it's worse in my case. I would give one of my favorites to be blessed with water and not with dog pee and dog poo. The park is so beautiful, but my location is so stupid. Imagine what the geocacher feels when he meets me. I live in the worst place possible. You can't get any lower than that, believe me. I deserve justice.
You guys call yourself troubled? You have no idea what a real headache feels like. Look at me. All my edges are almost destroyed. I lost all my shiny luxury black paint. Each time I receive a visitor, I end up smashed to the ground to get out my log. Enough now. Let's do what we have to do.
Please, let me out.
You should have known that. Maintenance is bliss.
We are no longer your boxes. We are up for adoption now.
If I could just call the reviewer and archive these mad boxes.
Exona, things will be bad for you.
Now make your last wish. It's our payback time.
Guys, you are so kind granting me one last wish. I made up my mind. I want signal.
Obviously a D1T1 wish. Adios grande.
What a dream. I have to perform maintenance on my boxes now.